How to grow English lavender. If you asked people what their favorite plant is in the garden, I'm sure the answer would be lavender. Lavender gives us so much color, scent, and all-year interest. Why should you grow English lavender? Lavender is one of those plants that really have it all. Lavender is evergreen. Lavender smells amazing. Lavender is hardy. Lavender flowers attract bees and butterflies and is easily grown in pots or containers, so there are plenty of reasons to grow it. How and when to prune lavender? Are there many varieties of English lavender? And which is the most fragrant? Find the answers and more tips on how to grow lavender on our blog sweetlifeandlemons.com. You can also read about everyday uses for lavender. Have I convinced you to plant it? Hop over to our site and let me know in the comments what you think. See you there.